Good morning. The owner has generously offered for us to stay another night free of charge, but unfortunately we do have a commitment tomorrow morning, so we cannot do that. However, we are going to check out late, like at 4 o'clock. So we've now just finished cleaning the house, we've packed our bags already, and now we can enjoy ourselves here at the villa, or maybe go drive around for the rest of the day until we actually drive back to Bangkok. We decided to go to the beach one last time now that the bags are all packed and we have a few hours to kill. Oh, and we're getting some more mosquito spray because it's a lot of mosquitoes. We are back at the same beach again, Bang Sare, and in an ideal world we would have driven through to Jomtien there in the distance to go and swim there just so we can have a different beach for a change. But unfortunately there's still too many cars on the roads with this public holiday, and we thought it's best to just save time and come to this beach closest to us. We have never seen a beach like this in all the days that we've been here. This is low tide, really low tide. If you might recall, yesterday the waves came pretty much up to these rocks over here. There was a very little stretch of sand that you were able to walk on. Now the ocean is about 60, 70 meters, maybe 80 meters away from the rocks. So yeah, we've got quite a distance to walk before we can get to actually swim in the ocean. And also, as you can see, it's much quieter today. There are not so many people here. I do not know if that's because of the time of day or the holiday or what the situation is, but yeah, it's not so busy as it was here yesterday. Aloy mai?
Aloy. Aloy mai?
Aloy mai?
Tim Aloy mai?
Hello? Aloy mai?
Aloy mai? Aloy.
Aloy mai?
Aloy. Ni. Aloy.
Oh, ice cream cup. Ice cream. น้ำปังครับ
ข้าวเหนียวไหมคะ
ไม่เอาครับเอา ได้ครับขอบคุณมากครับ Thank you. I just bought some ice cream. So this is ice cream on bread, coconut ice cream. It's got nuts on it too, and corn and sticky rice, all on a bit of a bread roll. This is so cool. Yeah, coconut ice cream. I like the sticky rice. That was a really dumb swim. We had to walk so far. We walked 250 or 300 meters into the ocean just to get knee deep into the water. This low tide is not great. So when you see low tide here at Bang Sare Beach, rather avoid it. It gets very salty, and you just have to walk so far. So we decided to rather come out and go back to our villa and have a swim in our pool. Yeah, we really did not enjoy that swim there in the ocean. It can be much better at our house. But first, I'm stopping at a 7-Eleven to get some more mosquito spray for the house. We already did all of the cleaning, but we are busy making the place look more beautiful because we told the owner that we would help him out by taking some nice pictures for him to put on his listing on Airbnb.
Oh, don't forget the book, don't forget the...
Oh no, I won't forget. And so it is time to go. It is sad to say goodbye because we had such a great stay here and so many things to see around here in this area.
Don't talk so sweet, don't talk so sweet, talk straight, it's better.
That's the owner who's speaking now. There are so many things to do around here too. Many attractions, and the beaches are great too. So fantastic place. Definitely a place we want to return to again one day. And so we hit the road back to Bangkok. We are leaving palm trees and going back to skyscrapers. We really enjoyed the stay. It was very nice. We've always had a good relationship with the owners of the Airbnbs where we stay, and this owner especially was very nice. Very generous person, very accommodating, and you can see he's interested in making his Airbnbs, plural because he has a few of them, making them better, and he's very receptive to suggestions. And he told us that when we arrived already to please tell him if there's anything that we need. As for this area, a great area to stay. There's lots to do around here besides the beaches, of course. There are many other things to do and see around here too, not even to mention food options. So for sure a place that we would like to return to one day. There are a lot of people heading back to Bangkok now, but once we are on this particular highway, it should be pretty smooth sailing. I hope that you enjoyed coming on this trip with us and seeing all the amazing things that Bang Sare had to offer. It's good to be home, and I did miss our view.